Most quality hearing aids today have a filter that detects noise by analyzing sound waves. It makes the hearing aids able to lower unwanted noise. But sometimes this method may have problems differentiating noise waves from speech waves. We have developed a new method to analyze sound. The technology is based on a spectrogram analysis that provides a much more detailed picture of sound frequencies. You could compare it to the difference between an X-ray and an EEG scan. Using this technology, we can clearly differentiate noise from speech and reduce noise without affecting speech or distorting sound quality.
Attention all passengers waiting for the intercity train to Hamburg. The train will be arriving on track 6 in 5 minutes.
Depending on selected models, you can choose between one of the fixed settings or a personal noise reduction setting, where the hearing aid automatically selects the appropriate level of noise reduction. All this to ensure comfort, even in dynamically changing situations.